Well, Steve, I guess we can't. We guess we can't confirm the contract.
No!
Well, we didn't get to hear what you last said because some strange thing made it so we couldn't hear you. We saw your lips move, but we couldn't read it. What do we do? Well, Steve.
I don't know. I activated the drone, so now they're
Okay.
Oh no, it appears the gearbox doesn't work. I need to get the gears fixed, but they don't make the replacement anymore. Wait, I know, let's just make it air-powered. Yes, hey Steve, I have an idea.
Are you tired with dealing with gears? Tired of just the same old car you have been driving for years? Well, introducing the air car. Simply get your RC car that is old and take out your unused motor. And then simply mount it on the back of your car. Big bang boom will happen.
Yeah, boy!
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for. Da 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 da
Here is some amazing footage of the vehicle in action. Take a look. All of that, and we get this amazing engineered vehicle, all thanks to engine engineering. Wow! Hope you enjoyed, and remember to have a good day.